depth and creating that sense of vastness or sense of like hugeness in your painting. And what I'm doing now is just trying to establish mountains in the background to just flesh out that composition and to create, enhance that sense of depth. In this video though, I want to talk about how adding a character into your painting is going to really introduce the story and introduce the journey for the viewer through your work. So that's where I'm at the moment. I've established, scale and depth. I've also established the different values and ensured that the composition has strong contrast in terms of values, moving from the foreground through to the background. So if I add a new layer above everything, I'm just going to choose a dark color, get my brush nice and small, and sketch in a figure in the foreground. Again, I'm not going to go for details. I just want a silhouette of a person, a character standing in the foreground, looking into the scene and looking ideally towards that far off structure in the background. So it's not perfect. I can work on the details much later, but for now, I'm just interested in thinking about how this character is going to affect the audience's engagement into the painting and make it feel like they can understand the sense of story. So if this guy is standing here in the foreground like this and looking in towards the middle of the frame, what that does is, establishes this kind of an arc for the viewer's eye, coming from the right-hand side through to this other set of trees and then catching the character and directing the viewer's eye back there towards that structure. The addition of the character is crucial to helping the viewer understand the story, the scene or the mood, and helping the viewer to journey through the background, through the different layers, the different landscapes to that focal point.